Gani, mo ni Scardo. Mo ni siya ikuan itong naong bogtaig hapon. Naong bogtaig.
Okay ni ang baseball bat na nakaigo sa imong ulo gapon.
Sir, kini ra may ko.
Metal lagi itong blue. Oh, gigamit ninyo sa batong sa libro nga dili sa ako libro sa.
Sa tripod sa tapan. Isa ta buda na tripod. Wala mo dito.
Importante man gud to kay diha ba ito sa libro kasi. Sa libro ba ito niya itang
Pagkaman na yun. Di ba napamutay kwarta?
Oh, 3,000.
Sa bodega si mami ni.
Ay, babalik na tag frame na.
So mo frame.
Picture frame ni Nico.
Frame itago ang 3,000. Diha ba ito letter?
Dako sa
Yes,
daw.
yes.
Para na karon ta picture karon mo.
No.
Ato siya matug sinyo?
Karon, I'm not sure.
Ato na lang siya patol gabi kay para ugma makapicture ko niya sa iyo.
Sexy.
Wa ko load na.
Yung scarf dala ng scarf
Okay.
daan.
Pobre na ito.
Dala ng scarf.
Kaya natin isulto kayo. Sampusin. So, ang kuwang nato
Diri na to isod ang pusil.
Hindi rin man mangukay si Kuan. Makikita lang sa box siguro na gamay.
What can you say?
Well, this is the best set we ever had.
It's not the best. Come on.
Ang cellphone ni ay!
These are
For now, for now.
Yeah.
Alfonso boxes. Hey, we have to dirt this up, okay? Sure. Sir, tomorrow, sir ba? I have to dirt these labels up like with coffee. Okay, it's so white. Like some like
Kuan na lang.
small dirt.
Parchment paper. Ikuan na na. Ano, kampatan na nanonood ka na. Kuan na ng kapit.
Lagi. Ikaw, what can you say about them? These are awesome costumes. These are... Unsa gani dong? Explain.
So are the
Well, every time Johnny kills, each teddy bear misses one arm or one leg.
Flower vase?
there is a
What do you mean? Wala. Oh, mapalit tag flower.
Oh, wabito tayo mong gikuan.
Palit tag flower because it's really needed kay. It's like this.
Ang flower base
Before good sila ni ano dito.
Sabi sa dami
It's like,
ng
oh,
flower.
no, before sa good sila na dito. Na good say dili sa bisag iya na lang yung giset kay, di ba iya magi-tour si Johnny outside. So it's like iya na lang yung diandam dili daan ba.
Mo lagi.
So it's like na fresh ang flowers. Ano na lang, mag-cut out na lang tag scene one day out. The day before sila makita ni ko na may flower. Magdipalit siya flower ba?
butag so.
On that day,
Oh, exon is balay.
on that day he bought a flower.
Then ibutang na to ang scene is like this. Di ba before ikasud na sa balay ato lang imurag.
You know what? It's like this. I want to situate it near November 1. The time is actually November 1. Ano name ko ni mga I want shots sa Sem Park and all people going to cemetery. But it's like November.
Ayan lang. If we have vacant time by November.
Not
November 2.
We're going to finish shooting November 2.
Sa sige man good.
It's like mag-cut out si tang tayo bisag mo. So wala out dili sa it's needed gid ang form sa tao.
Yeah, I want him to buy flower dito sa November 1. Yeah, that's November 1 also. Pagkahita mo yung Bitch ka itong pagtawag ni Johnny nga magkita sila.
Soon so that it could fit on the screen. I mean, it could fit on the scene when he takes off. Kinsa niya pangalan niya do?
Si Nico.
Dili ka nga karakter.
Kuan si Doraemon.
Si Lobita.
Sanrio.
Lobita.
This comedy but no. So it's like genetically engineered here so that like pali na pagtangtang niya, gitahi yun na ako. So like in the scene, when he does like that, ba?
Naglisod pagtang.
What the fuck? So that will be the scene about Siak. So watch Siak. Please.
Watch out.
Watch Cardo.
This is Cardo. He's the one of the most awaited scene in Siak. Is like because we did our best to do to provide high quality entertainment and to have like cool special effects for the next film. We went for the Transformers, so we made a snake for a film. This is what we call a snake. Can you see it? It's gonna be a snake, and it's gonna like, cause it's gonna be like this. It works like this. Look, check it out. Action. That's a snake. Okay. Where the fuck is? I'll be using real equipments like real guns.
Russian roulette.
Say hi to Sir Rudy.
Hi.
Chuyas lights, eh?
Oh my eyes! Look. I want dirt. I want dust. Look at this. I want blood.
Look at this.
Siya, i-focus na to.
I'm the model of the Krispy Kreme.
And good news to all Arcos Lineage Productions fans. We'll be having a new project hopefully by the end of the year or early next year. Like Governor Gwen Garcia and isuon niya. They confirmed oh! You just ruined the.
Don't destroy the camera.
They confirmed a film about Fuente for a musical, which Rudy will be directing a musical. So we'll be directing. I'll be directing the whole film for a story about a couple of people inside Fuente Circle. It's gonna be an exciting project, and we're like we're having 3-digit budget. 6-digit budget, so that's like 500,000.
Watch out.
But if we're gonna be